Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Assume a cannot equals to number 0 and the function f of s equals to a multiplied by s minus a to the power of 2 s minus b, and we have a if f of s has a maximum value at s equals to 8, then we have a b c d. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that we have maximum value at s equals to 8. So we know that this one that is about critical value. Now if we want to find this critical value, we need to find first the derivative of the function. So we do first the derivative of s minus a to the power of 2. We have 2a s minus a s minus b. Later that we do first the derivative of s minus b. We have number 1. Now we have as minus a. We can do about factorization. So we simplify. So the next one, we put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. So this one that is about equal to number 0, and we have s minus 8 equals to number 0, 3s minus 2b minus 8 equals to number 0. So we have s equals to 8. We put negative 8 go to the right, and this one we put on the right, and we divide by number 3. So we know that a can be positive or a can be negative. So in this situation, we need to separate them into two scenarios. Scenario number 1, when a is greater than number 0 in here. So if a is greater than number 0, we can use about variation table. So because a is greater than number 0, so when s approaches to positive infinity, positive infinity in here. So this one we have positive number, this one you have positive number, this one you have positive number. So this one they go to positive infinity. When s approach to negative infinity, this one they still positive, this one they still positive, however this one negative. So negative with positive they go to negative infinity. So if we want to have s equal to a in a maximum values, so I should be in here and should be plus 8 over 3 gone here, because they will go like this. When this one we know that's about positive, when the value go to this area they go to negative. This one gone here we have positive, because first the derivative of the function is greater than number 0. The function in here should be increased. When first the derivative of the function is negative, so the function in here they should be about decreased. So this one positive, so the function in here they increased. This one negative, so this one should be decreased. So because we want to have s equal to a at the maximum in here, so in this situation we see that a in here and 2b plus a over 3 should be greater than 8. So I will put number 3 go to the left. Later that we put a on the left. So this one we have 2a. Number 2 and number 2 we divide. And we have one condition. Now we have scenario number 2, that is about a is smaller than number 0. So we use about variation table. So we put about s first derivative of the function and f of s. So when s approach to positive infinity, this one they still positive infinity, this one they still be positive infinity, however a is about negative, so this one they go to negative infinity. So this one we know that's about positive infinity. So if we want to put a in the maximum value, so a should be in here and should be plus a over number 3, that should be in here. So we know that is about this one when a go to negative, however s and 3s coefficient is about positive, but this one is about negative, so the sign of this one that should be about negative. So the sign go to here, we have positive. This one gone here, that is about negative. So this one location that should be about mass. Now we look carefully. A should be greater than 2b plus a over number 3. So I will put number 3 go to the right. Put a go to the right. So 3a minus a, we have 2a. Now we have number 2. So we have two conditions. This one for 8 is greater than number 0. This one for 8 is smaller than number 0. And now I will put b go to the left, a go to the left. So we multiply both sides by 8. When 8 is greater than number 0, we don't change anything because this is about negative. Negative with positive, that's still about negative. Now, if I multiply with 8, when 8 is about negative, negative and negative, we have positive. So we have a square minus ab is smaller than number 0, and the second one, wrong, b minus a. So ab, we have ab minus a square is greater than number 0. So if I put this one cone here, we have a space is greater than a square. So if I put a square cone here, we have negative a square. And if we simplify for the both sides, they will change back, go to ab is greater than a square. So after we find the answer, we see that they have the same. So AB is greater than a square. And this is about D. This is the end. Thank you for watching.